If you're a business owner, you're always looking for the smartest ways to save on taxes. Paying your children is such a great way not only to help your business be more profitable, more efficient, but also to teach your children how to manage money, how to manage their time, and really invest in their future. One thing I would tell you right off the bat is stop paying taxes on money that you earn and then immediately turning around and buying your children toys, paying for their sports, etc. Let them work to earn that money themselves. That's going to be a deduction for your business, which we're going to dive into. Your children may have learned a great lesson, and then they can take the money that they've earned and use that money to buy their toys, buy their sports equipment, etc. The IRS has publication 929 that dives into requirements and qualifications that can help establish some information on the different documentation that is required. This is a great outline if you're considering hiring your children to work for your small business. You can even help your child start saving for retirement at a very young age. The earnings that they have from working for your business can be invested into a traditional IRA that's tax deductible or a Roth IRA. This is a great way to help your child start saving early for retirement and help them learn about the responsibilities of money management. Another important thing to mention is for corporations, this does not work. You cannot put your child on the payroll of a C Corp or S Corporation. So you would really need to be a single member LLC, partnership, a sole proprietor for this tax deduction paying your children to work. A lot of our clients come to us with, hey, this sounds like a great idea. However, my child's 8 years old. What jobs can I give my child to do? Well, really, there are a lot of different jobs. For example, data entry, organizing files. Another big one too for younger children can potentially be modeling. If you are in the type of business where you're trying to advertise, you can potentially do some modeling work with your child for ads that are maybe online, even magazines, billboards, things like that. So those are a couple examples for young children. As they get older, they may potentially even be able to help answer the phone, help clean your office. Like I said before, it's just very important that the work is reasonable, that the wages you pay to them are also reasonable. You wouldn't want to have your child clean your office, one time and you pay them $14,600 because that's obviously not reasonable. And then in that case, that deduction, through an audit would be disallowed. It's important that you are keeping good documentation, you have a signed contract, predetermine what their tasks are, what their duties are, and what their hourly wage will be. Therefore, the documentation is very important. You want to make sure that you're keeping a signed contract between you and the child. You have a predetermined wage set and also duties and their job role. Another important step if you'd like to pay your children through your business is to actually set up an independent bank account for your child. This can be under your name still. They have bank accounts where the parent can ultimately be in control. However, it's in the child's name still. So it's important to set that up so that the funds are actually getting transferred to your child's bank account, or you're paying them maybe with a check or something like that. Those are some important steps to take as well. This is just such a great deduction for business owners that oftentimes people don't even think of. If you have children that you'd like to teach, about responsibility, allow them to start working for your business, be able to take a great deduction for it. This is a great first step, getting this set up for them, helping get the bank account set up. So if this is something you're interested in, we can help advise you on this process. We can help draft or recommend the employment documentation, the contract. We can help you even potentially set a reasonable salary and role recommendations. And we can even recommend a bank to go to set up your bank account. If you saw this video today and you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And again, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.